In this video, I will show you how to connect your hosting or domain to InfinityFree. So what you want to do is first on InfinityFree, just go to your accounts and then here go to the account that you want to connect with your hosting or domain. So I only have one and I'll use this one. And this is a free hosting account. Now what you can do is go to domains here and click add domain. And then from there, go to add custom domain right here. And then type in the domain that you bought on Hostinger. And then from there, go and click on verify domain. So you can see it has been registered. Now what you want to do is validate the name servers, which is fairly simple. You can also do a CNAME validation, but I'll show you how to do the name servers. So right here you have two name servers and you have the current ones and the desired ones. So just go and copy the first desired one and you will notice the second one is the same but with a 2 instead of a 1. So now what you want to do is go to Hostinger, then go to your domains, and on the domain you want to connect to InfinityFree, go to manage, and from there go to DNS and name servers, and here you can see my current name servers, which are the default for Hostinger. Now click change name servers, and then select change name servers, and just paste it in twice, and then on the second one add a 2 instead of a 1, and click save. Then click I understand. Then from there go and click on continue, and then close. So now that you have changed the name servers, from there it can take a little bit of time for it to be recognized. And after doing that, you can then click add domain. Now you can see even after refreshing, it now still says the original name servers, even though I have updated it. And this can take a little bit of time. So just wait for that to fully update, and you may need to refresh a few times, but once this is a green check mark, what you can then do is just click add domain, and then it will be added in your InfinityFree account. So now you know how to connect your hosting or domain to InfinityFree. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.